Are you looking for affordable ways to decorate and furnish your home in the old world English country cottage style? Me too! Today, we'll hit the thrift stores and antique shops, rounding up those last few furniture and home decor items, then tackle anything that may need some DIY. Let's go shopping! Hello friend, welcome back! I'm Rachel from the blog stonecottagehome.com, where we cultivate the art of home. We're down to one of the most fun parts of every remodel, shopping and DIY. This is episode 5 in our series of the Budget Guest Bedroom Remodel. Today, you and I will hunt some budget-friendly options for furnishings and home decor, roll up our sleeves and tackle any DIY to finish out this English country cottage guest bedroom. Let's get shopping.
On our anniversary this year, we visited a couple flea markets and the antique stores. I found an ammunition box and some artwork. At the thrift store, I spotted this lion-footed lamp I wish I'd gotten. From the antique store, the hand-carved cow plaque was fabulous, but overpriced. Now, the score of the day was this gorgeous green handmade wool rug from India. This one came home with us. Remember that apricot tufted reading chair from the inspiration board? Well, I've still been keeping my eye out for something similar to that, but it has now to go with the green rug. Look what we see here. It is apricot. It is tufted. It has an arched back. It's small. I absolutely love this. I do wonder what it would look like with the skirt removed. The chair was in great condition, and for $25, definitely worth a try. Okay, on to textiles. We are in need of curtains, possibly a valance, throw blankets, and accent pillows. This piece is really nice, but I need to stay within the color palette that we've chosen for the room. These warm greens and browns caught my eye right away. I love the two-tone shimmer of this jacquard. This is a valance, but I could use it as a dresser scarf or even for a fall table runner. These green curtains look really suspect. There are actually 3 of them here, and they are pre-hemmed with a pocket rod. Look how beautifully these colors complement each other. They should play nicely with the wallpaper and paint color as well. On to accent pillows and cushions. We need 3 things. I would like to find a group of pillows for the bed, one for the reading chair, and then possibly, oh, look at this art. Okay, stay focused. And then possibly a cushion for the settee. Oh, now this is darling. Hand-embroidered silk ribbon on velour in my color palette. For $1, this would be an excellent accent pillow for the bed. And look how it brings out the colors in this really big pillow. Let's see what this looks like. It's got my color palette, a fringe of silk ribbon. This set of 4 valances, 3 curtains, and 2 accent pillows was less than $18. Here are the results from the first shopping trip made thrifting and antiquing for this bedroom. You'll remember that headboard was less than $5 and set the style for the room. The oval mirror was a birthday gift from an antique store. The rest of the artwork and pillows were thrifted. This next collection of antique and thrifted items includes a French Aubusson pillow, which I've wanted a long time. Online, they range in price from $80 to $140. Mine was $5 at the thrift store. The warm browns and earthy greens of this color palette are cozy and comforting. This silk table runner would make a great dresser scarf for $2. One day, this slender side table turned up at a yard sale for $5 just down the street from us, perfect with its lower shelf and single drawer. The French Bouillet lamp also was thrifted for $7, and it casts a warm, magical glow. I am delighted with this colorful, cohesive grouping of pillows that should round out the bedroom, making it comfortable and cozy. I'm especially thrilled with this tufted reading chair. Let's see what it will look like without the skirt. By removing the skirt, we will give the illusion of height, also simplicity, making this style a little less stuffy and a little more sophisticated. Once all the skirting was cut off, I pulled off the piping and removed the staples. I just love how this has turned out. Absolutely worth $25, and it's really comfy. Here's our little side table from down the street that I got for half off. It has a white coat of distressed paint and a modern farmhouse hardware handle. Neither vibe really goes with the English country cottage bedroom makeover. Let's start with a coat of paint and switch out that hardware. To create the illusion of more space in our small bedroom, we will paint this side table the same color as the wall, Universal Khaki by Sherwin. We discovered this lovely drawer pull at an antique store near us for $3. Matt is introducing Mr. Brown. He wandered into our yard several weeks ago and seems to be right at home. For a little whimsical surprise, I am tracing out a drawer liner from a bit of our extra wallpaper. Once I was sure that it fit, I secured it with some Mod Podge. This lamb reminded me of the English countryside. A little fresh paint, and he will be a perfect addition to our cottage bedroom. I don't know about you, but I love thoughtful, unexpected touches in a guest bedroom. By painting the inside of this closet door to match the wall, it brings that cottage feeling further inside to a personal space. With a freshly painted door, I felt like the frame on the mirror seemed extra orange and dated, so I thought we should give that a special touch as well. Here I'm using Rub and Buff in antique gold. In consistency, this product is like working with tinted wax. I am imagining this antique gold adding that gilded tint to the edge of the mirror frame that will tie it in with the gallery wall while giving that perfect English country cottage touch. This product will be linked below. I began working with a brush, but I soon found it to be too soft to press the Rub and Buff into the grooves of the frame. With a topical layer on, I switched to a Q-tip to press into the grooves for better coverage. This is just the dainty gilded look I was hoping for.
You saw that I found this huge pillow at the thrift store. It's an envelope style, but it's very thin, and I would like to have it plump and squishy and full of down feathers. So I got these down-filled pillows, and I have this yellow silk, and the cover is beautiful, but it just doesn't really go with the room. So all these down pillow feathers will go to the big pillow.
To prevent our home from looking like a chicken party explosion went off inside, the patio seemed like the best place for this project. One down, 2 to go. And here's the chicken feather party explosion. Here's our finished pillow, all plump and comfy. We've done our shopping and knocked out our DIY projects. Now it's time to place the furniture. Stay tuned.
What a lovely day. Thank you for coming shopping and DIYing with me. Next time, since we're now ready to add the finishing touches to our English country cottage guest bedroom, we will add in the furniture and style the home decor items we found. I hope you found your visit to be inspiring and got some great ideas for ways to cultivate the art of your home on a budget. If you enjoyed your visit, please subscribe and join the Stone Cottage Home family. If your visit was helpful and inspiring, leave a thumbs up so I know to plan more visits for you like this one. Until next time, take care.